Whew. Let me first start off by saying that today has been a very trying day. Between camera's not working, microphone not working. I mean, you guys will be seeing this on Thursday, today, but today is technically Saturday for me. And so, today's just a very trying day, okay? I'm extremely tired. My hair is not working with me. And I've gone through 2 different wigs, and now I've just decided I'm done. I'm just putting my hair up. I don't give a crap anymore. You know what? This is me. You don't like it, you know, take it or leave it. So yeah. But other than that, we're gonna be talking about flat brushes. I love flat brushes. As you probably noticed, all these brushes right here are from the same company, but that's not what we're talking about. So, flat brushes, in my opinion, are very useful. If you are a licensed makeup artist, you already know flat brushes are a huge thing to have in your makeup bag. And for those that I do know that have these brushes from Vanity Planet, you probably are aware and are thinking how amazing these brushes are. But if you have them and you don't use them because you don't know what to use them for, I'm going to show you. So there's this right here thing, which is actually, you know, a brush inside of it. That is a lip brush. I'm going to make sure that first and foremost that I am in focus for this. Okay, so I'm in focus now. But it comes with the tube, obviously. That right there is to keep it clean, because it's also small. But other than that, so we have anywhere from tiny to small, all the way up to large, as well as an angle brush. This right here is used for eyeliner, but you can also use it for your eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these all aside, and we're gonna talk about each brush individually. So this brush right here, this brush, I love this brush because you can use it for foundation, you can use it for concealer, you can use it for clown makeup, you can use it for anything in particular that you think that you'd want to use. I mean, you can use it for cream contour. You can use it for cream contour as well for like the cheekbone or the forehead area, and then you can blend it out with either the oval brushes from Vanity Planet or a beauty blender, which is really good for blending out, especially cream eyeshadows and stuff like that. Same with the oval brushes because I've used them for cream. But anyways, so because this brush in particular, whenever I'm doing drag, which you guys are probably wondering, I thought you were gonna do a drag look this past Monday. I was going to, and then I woke up really late. Right now, it is, what time is that? I'm clicking on my phone. Right now, it is 3 a.m. in the morning, and I am so exhausted, and I still have makeup on. I woke up really late, and so I was not capable of having enough time to do the drag, especially if I plan on getting any sleep at all. So with that being said, moving on. Oh, by the way, I also noticed in Talks with Heavenly, I kept saying Sephora when I meant to say Morphe when I was holding up the Morphe palette, so I get it. We're all giggling. I understand. I'm tired. Anyways, so yeah, this right here, whenever I'm doing drag, I like to use this for my white cream base that I usually put underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin, to highlight my T-zone area, which we'll talk about that, especially with the zones of the face, for certain things, and the things that you can do with your face whenever it comes to shadows and contouring and highlighting and stuff like that. We'll get into deeper detail, because there's more detail into that than just putting it on your face, because you can do so many things with it once you understand like the technicals of like your face and stuff. And I'm getting off track. So anyways, this right here brush, I love it. Okay, so moving on over to the next one. This one right here is kind of like the smaller, kind of like sister, brother, whatever, to the bigger brush. This one right here in particular is good for eyeshadow. You can pat the eyeshadow down on your eye and then blend it out with an eye brush, or you can use it for concealer, or you can use it to blotch like color corrector on like, you know, the demons on your face or something, like pimples or something like that. Or you can use it to do even detailed contour, or you can use it to highlight your brow bone and everything, which gives you more detail into that. Now these two right here are kind of like brother and sister and everything, except for one's a little bit different. One has shorter hair, one has longer. The longer haired brush gives you less pressure to the skin whenever you're pressing. So if I press down and everything, you get less pressure, and you also get more ground that you're covering with it. This one, however, has more of an angled type tip to it, but it has less hairs, which makes it shorter. So basically whenever you press down, you're covering less ground, and it has like an oval tip, so you can easily do lines like that. Oh God, you guys can see I'm moving like whatever that is on my table. Ugh. And I need to take like wiping alcohol or Windex on my glass table. Anyway, so this right here allows you to cover less ground, as in this one right here covers more ground. And you can get better detail with this brush versus this brush. But both of these are good for costume makeup, as well as concealer, foundation, highlighting, the brow bone, or even with eyeshadow. You've seen me use these multiple times on the inner portion, like the center portion of my eyelid, for like doing like glitter eyeshadows that I can turn into like chrome by easily adding like water to the mixture. So those are definitely good for that. And then we have these ones right here, which are kind of like brother and sister once again. So this one right here is definitely way smaller. This one right here is kind of like a little bit bigger than the other one. So these right here can be used for lip, they can be used for eyeliner, they can be used for brows, they can be used for the inner portion of the eye next to the tear duct, they could be used for feathering out your eyeliner. I mean, the list is endless. Like if I were to literally sit here and think about it, I could probably name off about 50 to 60 things that you could do with these and everything. It's endless. You can use them for detailing. So if you're doing like a skull makeup or something like that for Halloween, you can use these to outline your skull makeup before you start shading and contouring and doing stuff like that. Ooh, skull makeup would actually be really fun. And then we have this brush. Every girl in the world knows what this brush is. This right here is your handy dandy eyeliner brush. So if you are doing eyeliner with like a cream eyeshadow or something like that, or cream eyeshadow, a cream liner, I'm tired, a cream liner, this right here is amazing for that, as well as I use this to do my eyebrows with. I use this to do my eyebrows, and I also use it to do eyeliner too, but I clean it in between because I use a dark brown, or a light brown actually, liquid liner or cream liner to do my eyebrows with. And then I use this, and then I clean it, and then I use a black cream liner to do my eyeliner with, which I haven't done eyeliner in a very long time. So if you guys want me to do like an updated like how to do eyeliner, I can do that. And then of course we have our lip brush. I mean, it's very obviously oh, and by the way, with the eyeliner brush, you can use that to highlight your brow bone. You can use it to put on eyeshadow underneath your eye if you wanted to. There's a lot of things, guys. And so this one right here, you can use this for eyeliner as well. You can use it for eyebrows, you can use it for your lips, you can use it if you want to highlight like a beauty mark or something like that. You can do that and everything. So there's a lot of things that these brushes can be done with. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, please leave your suggestions down in the comment section. Please make sure to like, subscribe, become a part of the Angel group or the Angel Army, one or the other, and everything. And I will see you in the next video. However, how to use it, Makeup Brushes 101, this series will probably be ending sooner or later, because if I can't come up with anything else to talk about whenever it comes to makeup brushes and everything, eventually we're going to move on to the face category and everything, like the areas of the face that I like to put emphasis into in detail that can really sculpt the face. That right there would be a very interesting topic to talk about because I can go on for hours about that. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.